Hi everyone, this is a video to show you how to make the pom-pom for the beanie. Okay, get your yarn. It is just the same yarn I used for the beanie. Wrap it on your finger. I didn't really count how much time I wrapped the yarn on my finger. It depends on how thick you want your pom-poms to turn out. So now remove the yarn out of your finger and wrap the end in the middle horizontally and pull it as hard as you can to secure it and make a knot. Another knot. And another one. Cut the yarn and hide this end in the middle of your pom-pom by using a darning needle. So insert it in the middle, and I decided to make another knot. So I'm sure that this will not be loose. Okay, leave it like that, and we're now cutting the loops. Okay, now flap it a little to hide the string in the middle. And now we're ready to give it a trim to make it look rounder. Cut the extra loop that you missed earlier. And here's another one. Here it is, and now we're ready to attach it on the top of the beanie. Okay, get your yarn and your needle and insert it just near the center. Leave a tail from the inside so we can tie later and anchor. This pom-pom, insert your needle at the middle of the pom-pom and stitch it on the top of the beanie. Pull it in place. And it's that easy. Cut the yarn and tie. And then we will hide the tails by weaving it. And Cut the yarn and we are finished. For the video of crocheting this actual beanie, click the link in my description box. Again, this is our finished product and this is how it looks like when you wear it. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to my channel, Abby's Habits, for more crocheting videos and click the notification bell to keep you updated for new posts. Thank you again and see you on the next video. Bye guys!